What's up, everybody? So, this past weekend was the first gun show of the year. I'm just gonna make a quick video showing what I picked up. I ain't buy any firearms at this show, but check out my last video. It'll basically explain why I didn't get any firearms, but yeah, I'm just gonna jump straight into it. So, got 100 rounds of bronze PMC, it's the 124 grain. Also got 100 rounds of American Eagle 40 Smith & Wesson. I got 100 rounds of the PMC X-Tac 5.56. I only got 40 rounds of the 7.62 by 39. I couldn't really find a lot at the show. And I also got a couple of boxes of this 12 gauge slugs. I never shot this before. If you did, let me know how to shoot. Definitely gonna try it out when I get a chance though. So, got some other stuff too. Got a couple cleaning brushes for 12 gauge, 7.62 and 5.56. Also got a couple of QD sling swivels. And with the swivels, I got a sling. This one, it's like a camo pattern, bungee, 2 point, 1 point. It's decent for me. Like that. I also got this little pouch, Molly. It's holds 10 shotgun shells. Something decent. I use it somewhere. I think with the best thing I got at the show, this blade here, custom leather sheath. This blade is sharp as shit. Forgot everything the dude told me it was. He said anti-slip wood handles, full tang. I don't remember what type of steel he said it was, but yeah, this shit is sharp. Not a huge knife guy, but it's probably the best one I got. Yeah, I like it. I'm trying to be careful with the. Yeah. I also got a couple of free things too. Well, this didn't come from the show, but I thought I'd show it since I got it. Somebody gave it to me. 200 lumen pen light. Yeah, I think this came from Harbor Freight, but try to get it clear. Can't really see it, but 200 lumens, 250 feet. Definitely gonna try it out now. Also, when I got those swivels, guy gave them to me in his bag, so free bags always come in handy. And I also took my son to the show, and the guy gave him this patch, Olight patch. Yeah, so that's basically it. Everything I picked up. Let me know what you think. It's a decent little haul. I like it. So, till next time, man. Just everybody be safe. I'm out of here.